as always, after the first step, you gotta prepare your meat, and we're gonna be doing drumsticks. And so let me just get this out. Now that I have these drumsticks ready, I'm gonna be seasoning. Again, this is the Pappy's seasoning. Works well with chicken, and let's get started in the seasoning. Alright guys, so we're gonna start putting the chicken in here. So we're just gonna softly put it there, and we're gonna try to leave it there for about 2 hours. But we're gonna be like switching it every 10 minutes or so. So yes, it's gonna be good. And if you guys want to see more cooking videos, like steak or something like that, comment below and subscribe, and I'll make some more. So, and again, we're gonna leave this for about 2 hours, and we're gonna like rotate it every 10 minutes, check on it, and I'll tune in with you guys when it's looking pretty good.
I'm gonna check on the drumsticks every 10 minutes, and I'll update it with you guys every 30 minutes so the results can come in faster.
Alright guys, so an hour has passed, and let's check on it. Shut things up. Yeah, it's a little bit orange. Pretty good. And just flip them over. And yeah, I'm gonna be adding some rice to this as a meal. Some rice, some salad, some drumsticks. Alright guys, so we're 1 hour and 30 minutes in, and let's check it out. Oh yeah, looking good. Really good. Does a great job. And sheesh, look at that. I'd say about 30 minutes or so more, and it should be good. Alright guys, so I just cut the drumsticks up, and they're a little bit raw, so I cut all of them up, and I put it in the center so it can heat up, and I also bumped the temperature to 350. I want to close it, and they should be ready, good to go, like in 10 to 20 minutes. But it's still cooked. I'm not no professional, but it was a good first try. It was a good first try for me. But yeah, it was like when I came out, I was like, oh no, dude, there's smoke everywhere.